All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Sunday preposition. So beyond, 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 the furthest side, at least in distance. Beyond, yes, he will go beyond Glasgow and keep going north. So here's Glasgow and going beyond, beyond. She's going beyond the entrance and we will see it. And we'll see it. She went past the entrance and beyond. I will go beyond just going to Wales and do more. Yeah. It is beyond our sight. We can't see it. It's beyond our sight. We can't see it. Yes. This ladder goes beyond the clouds. It continues to go beyond. Goes beyond the clouds. Beyond the clouds, yeah. I am travelling beyond France. England, France, and beyond Germany. Keep going. I will keep going, yes. I will go beyond just teaching this video. I will do more. She wants to go beyond London and keep going south. South. How cool is that? He does not know what is beyond the horizon. Yeah. It might go on forever. Yeah. It might go beyond just... It might go beyond just this street. It might be very long and loud. Well, it might be very loud. The sound might go beyond this street. The sound might go beyond this street. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So I, she, he, it, they. So how did they go beyond the river? How did they cross the river? How do they go beyond the river? I'm not so sure. How cool is that? Yeah. So, it was beyond the seas, the sea and the ocean, beyond the sea and in another country. I'm planning to go beyond Wales, England, Wales, and Ireland. I'm planning to go beyond Wales. Just go past Wales and to Ireland. How cool is that? We will be travelling beyond the mountains. Go over the mountains and keep going. Beyond the mountains. Not just go over the mountain, but then keep going. Yes. Our journey, our adventure will take us beyond the mountains. Yeah, beyond the mountains. Here's the mountains. Once we get past the mountains, we'll keep going and go beyond. Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use beyond in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. Oops. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.